Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. So here in this lecture, I have selected one question for you people from your NCERT textbook. One question is there, and in that question I have added two different questions also, two sub questions also. That means in one question we can add two or more questions. Then it will form a new question for you people. Then it will be easier for you people to cover more questions or attend more questions. So let's start the video. The question is this one: how many numbers greater than 10 lakhs can be formed by using the digits 1 to 0 to 4 to 4 divisible by 10? Then what will be the new numbers? Only 7-digit number. How many only 7-digit numbers can be formed? So very simple and important also. So listen please. First of all, as you have to form a number which is only 7-digit number, so I will start from here only. So first of all, we have to consider how many objects are available with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the objects we have to use. Am I correct? All the objects we have to use to form a new number. That means the objects which are going to use, that means rearranging the objects in between them, the object bilakor majot rearrange kori, you have to form a 7-digit number. If that condition is stated, the greater than condition we consider how many 7-digit numbers can be formed with the question to you. How many objects are available? 7 objects are available. So we have to rearrange them among themselves to have a new number. So how many 7? It is what? All the objects are distinct over. As is the situation of arrangement, so we will try to apply combination. In case of combination, two different situations are there. Objects are distinct and objects are not distinct. Jikita object tomaloke arrangement or karone use koribole goisa, are they distinct? Mane sob beleg beleg hoy ni? No hoy so. 2 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated twice, so objects are not distinct. It is known to us. In that situation, we cannot apply NPR formula. I mean NPR, that formula cannot be applied as the objects are not distinct. If no condition is given, total number of 7-digit number. Total number of 7-digit number is equal to what? Question of the formula? Factorial of n divided by factorial of p, factorial of q, factorial of r like. Am I correct? What is n? Total number of objects. So how many objects are available? 7. So factorial of 7. In the denominator, what you have to write down? Kuntu object iman bar repeat hoise. That expression you have to write down in factorial form. 1 repeated for how many times? 1 exactly appears 1 time. So for 1, no factorial notation. 2 repeated for how many times? 3 times. 0 repeated? No times. So 4 repeated for how many times? 4 repeated for 2 times. So this is the answer. Am I correct? So this is the expression. This is the total number of 7-digit numbers. So you can easily simplify. So we can easily write down 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial of 3. Am I correct? Because factorial of 7 contains factorial of 3. এখানে ইয়া ব্রেক করা, কোলকে ব্রেক করবা factorial of 3 লেখে 7 6 5 4 factorial of 3. So it will factorial of 3 into factorial of 2. 3 to cancel. Again factorial of 2 means what? Factorial of 2 means 2 into 1 2 এ হয় তাহলে এই 4 লগত ক্যান্সেল হইব দুনিয়াকে কমপ্লিট কৰি দিব পাৰিবা. So 7 into 30 into 2. Correct? কারণ এই লগত ক্যান্সেল হৈ যাব এটা. So what is the answer? Answer is 14. Am I correct? No. 0 520. Okay, so 420 is the answer. Okay, that means from the 7 digits, how many 7-digit numbers can be formed? 427-digit number. Kotha ka mon kora. In all those 7 digits numbers, we have got in this one conditions we have got some numbers started with 0 কারণ আমি হে arrangement বিলাকত 0 ইউজ কৰি আহিছো নহয় তুমি 76 মুঠতে that means total number of arrangement here so total number of we have to write down arrangement total number of this one is nothing but arrangement so total number of arrangements okay in total number this is nothing but a total number of arrangements that means how many different ways you can arrange all those 7 digits 420 ways of তুমি arrange কৰিব পাৰা in all those arrangement এই গুটেইবিলাক arrangement কিছুমান arrangement 0 দি start হ'ব আছে এনেকা নম্বৰ বিলাক কথা কলো 1 2 2 2 4 4 am I correct such type of arrangements obviously there obviously আমি কি কৰিছো we have to find out the total number of arrangement here in all those arrangements some arrangements are there started in 0 যেটা জিবিলা নাম্বার 0 দি স্টার্ট হইছে are they 7 digit number no they are known as 6 digit number how কি digit number বলি কোৱা হয় 6 digit number বলি কোৱা হয় that's why you are not supposed to consider all those numbers as 7 digit number then what we will do to have a exactly 7 digit number so exactly 7 digit number পাবলৈ হলে তুমি কি কৰিবা so what we will do আমি 7 digit number পাবলৈ হলে কি কৰিম so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so we will try to find out all those numbers started with 0 di start hobe number bila identify korim that means 0 will be fixed here 0 to have fixed kori dia okay as you have to use all the digits যেটো তোমালোকে গুটেই digit bila use koribo lagibo tamane tumi 0 to repeat koribo নোৱাৰিবা that means you are not supposed to use 0 once again ma cover koiso 420 arrangement এনেকা কিছুমান arrangement আছে যিবিলাক 0 দি start হৈছে all are not known as 7 digit number now we will find out as only 7 digit numbers that means আমি কি কৰিম ইয়াৰ পৰা 0 দি start হোৱা যিমান বিলাক নাম্বাৰ আছে গুটে নাম্বাৰ বিলাক অটৰাই পঠিয়াম so that's why to subtract first of all we should have the confirmation about the all those numbers started with 0 di start হোৱা নাম্বাৰ কিমান আছে আমি জানিব লাগিব so now we try to find out all those numbers started with 0 so keeping 0 in the left position 0 just fixed কৰি দিলো so how many objects are left with us 1 2 3 4 5 6 how many places are left with us 1 2 3 4 5 6 sota objects sota places rakhibo lage we have to arrange remaining 6 objects in 6 different places obviously station of arrangement jita object তুমি arrange korim boli loisa এই sota place are they different no so then we some formula factorial of 6 divided by 2 repeated 3 times and 4 repeated 2 times so this is the answer so numbers started with 0 numbers started with 0 what is the answer factorial of 6 divided by factorial of 3 into factorial of 2 is it clear where we have got this place can be arranged in how many ways this place can be arranged in only one way that means 0 is fixed in the left position that means we how many places are left with us 6 places how many places are how many objects we have to use 6 objects তোমালোকে মনত question টা arrange কৰিব পাৰা erase কৰিব পাৰা তোমালোকে স্যাৰ আপুনি 0 টো আকৌ কিয় ইউজ নকৰে ভিতৰত because you have to use 7 digit number that means you have to use all the objects তোমালোকে গুটি object বিলাক ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব তুমি যদি আকৌ 0 টো যদি ক'বাত ইউজ কৰি দিয়া তেতিয়া তোমালোকে কোনবা object ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা কাৰণ 2 টো কি টাইম ৰিপিট কৰিব লাগিব 3 times ৰিপিট কৰিব লাগিব তিনিবাৰ তুমি লিখিব লাগিব 4 to how many times দুবাৰ লিখিব লাগিব তেনে তুমি 0 টো যদি আৰবাৰ লিখি দিয়া তেনে কোনবা object তুমি লিখিব নোৱাৰিবা as you have to use all the objects so that's why ক'ব নোৱাৰাকে repetition not allowed হৈ গ'ল so that's why 6 places 6 objects you repeat যেহেতু the objects are not distinct this is the number of arrangement so how can you write it down 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial of 3 divided by factorial of 3 into factorial of 2 am I correct so 2 crucible 30 so answer is 60 is it clear so that's why total number of 7 digit number therefore total number of 7 digit number means 420 arrangement over to be 60 arrangement minus kori dia because 60 numbers are there 60 arrangements are there jar starting ki here hoise 0 0 hoise All are not 7-digit number. So that's why we have to subtract it. 360. There are 360 numbers or arrangements which are exactly 7-digit number. 420 টা arrangement or ভিতৰত 360 টা arrangement আছে যিবিলাক exactly কিমান digit number 7-digit number. That means we have got this one. First of all, আমি total number of arrangement উলিয়ালো. In those arrangements we have got 0 in the starting places. কিমানটা 0 দি start আছে পালো 60 টা, total পৰা 60 টা আঁতৰাই দিলো, so we have got exactly 7-digit number. Okay, now what is the next situation? Divisible by 0. Out of 420 arrangement, 420 টা arrangementor ভিতৰত কিমানটা arrangement আছে যিবিলাক 10 এ divisible হয়? 10 is divisible. Okay, so listen. Divisible by 10 means what? Formula number of 10 is divisible hoy whose unit place is filled up by 0. Ja unit place ki thake where 0 will be there the unit place. 0 the unit place thaki bola ibo. Jane 560 obviously it is divisible. 579 it is not divisible by 10. 10 is divisible hobo hole unit place ki thaki bola ibo 0. So number divisible by 10 means what? For these arrangements, it is known to you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 will be there in the unit place. It is fixed for 0 only. Yeah, 0 will go. Belek will be 10 and divisible now. So how many places are left with us? 6 factorial of 3 into factorial of 2. Am I correct? That means out of the 7 digits, 0 will be here in the unit place. And the remaining 6 digits you have to use the fill up remaining 6 places. Baki 6 place of fill up koribo karone ami baki 6 digit use koribo lagibo. So that's a factorial of 6 divided by objects are not distinct. Ekane factorial of 3 2 3 bar repeat hoise no factorial of 3 likhilu 4 to 2 bar repeat hoise factorial of 2. So this is the answer. That means this is the total number. That means this is equal to 60. That means we have got it out of 420 arrangements. 60 arrangements are there which are exactly divisible by 10. 420 টা arrangement of এইবিলাকক arrange কৰিবা ন এহেতৰ নিজৰ মাজতে ইফাল ইফাল কৰি তোমালকে arrange কৰিবা নহয় তেল কিমানটা different arrangement পাবা 420 টা আমি arrangement পাবা out of 420 arrangements তাৰে 60 টা arrangement of তেনে divisible হ'ব মানে 60 টা arrangement of 0 unit place আছে. Is it clear? So in the same way now we are going to find out the answer of the main question. What is the main one? The question is given that how many objects, how many numbers greater than 10 lakhs? If 10 lakhs of can be greater hobole hoy. Okay, correct? 10 lakhs is greater hobole hole. This place should be filled up by how many ways? In this place you cannot put 1. Oh sorry, in this place you cannot put 0. Tumi ইয়াত 0 বহাব নোৱাৰিবা. Got it? In this place you can put 1, you can put 2, you can put 4. Any 3 digits you can put it here. First of all, do you know what we will do? Ami ki kori? First of all, we will try to find out total arrangements. Is it clear? First of all, we will try to find out total arrangement. How many arrangements you have got? 420 arrangements. In 420 arrangements, how many some arrangements are started with 0, 0 D start arrangement bilak ase. Hey 0 D start hoy arrangement bilak katke dangor hoy. 0 D start arrangement bilak katke keneke dangor hobo. 2, 2, 4, 4, 2. Is it greater than 10 lakhs? No, it is not greater than 10 lakhs. It is not even a 7-digit number. It is not 6-digit number. It is less than 10 lakhs. So here can have 0 D start habila order bithale hoye jabo. So number of arrangement started with 0. Kiman asile started with 0. Factorial of 6 divided by factorial of 3 into factorial of 2 is equal to 60. So what is the answer then? 420 minus 60 is equal to 360. That means out of 420 arrangement, 360 arrangements are there which are greater than 10 lakhs. Which are greater than 10 lakhs. In this way we will try to find out the answer. Ami prothome total arrangement ulaisu. If no restriction is there, from the 420 arrangements, we have considered all those arrangements which are started with 0. Hit like a uliapi tapa minus 4. So you have got 360 numbers, 7-digit numbers which are greater than 10 lakhs. I hope you are getting my point. Very simple questions. In this one question, I have included 2 another options also. You can easily go through it. If you have any doubt, then obviously you can message me. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.